Welcome to this video on DNS security, how the Internet's phone book is protected. We will explore the critical role of DNS and how security measures safeguard this infrastructure. DNS security protects the Internet's address book from attackers. This is essential for ensuring that users are connected to the intended online services without malicious interference. The Domain Name System, or DNS, translates human-readable names like google.com into IP addresses that computers use to route traffic. Every web request, email, and app interaction begins with a DNS query. The original DNS design from 1983 lacked authentication and encryption. This vulnerability allows for various attacks, including spoofing, cache poisoning, and traffic leakage, as all queries were in plain text. DNS spoofing involves an attacker sending a fake DNS answer before the real one arrives. This forged reply redirects the victim's request to an attacker-controlled server, such as a malicious IP address like 6.6.6.6. The result of DNS spoofing is that your browser is tricked into connecting to a fake site controlled by the attacker. This malicious redirection can lead to stolen passwords, hijacked sessions, and intercepted payments. Cache poisoning is an attack where a fake DNS record is inserted into a DNS resolver's cache. This single poisoned record can affect thousands of future users until the record's time to live expires. DNS tunneling is a technique used to smuggle data in and out through DNS queries. Since DNS port 53 is almost never blocked, it is a perfect covert channel for exfiltrating sensitive data to an attacker-controlled server. A DNS DDoS attack overwhelms the DNS server with a flood of queries, often from a botnet. Sending thousands of queries per second can make the server unresponsive, leading to service timeouts for legitimate users. The solution involves 4 key defenses that harden every layer of DNS. These include DNSSEC, encrypted DNS methods like DOH and DOT, DNS filtering, and the use of Anycast combined with rate limits. DNSSEC introduces digital signatures on every DNS record, making forgery impossible. This mechanism allows resolvers to verify the authenticity and integrity of the DNS information before trusting it. DNSSEC works by having the resolver check the cryptographic signature of the DNS record before forwarding the trusted answer to the user. This verification process rejects any forged replies, preventing attacks like spoofing. Encrypted DNS, using DOH or DOT, tunnels DNS queries inside a TLS connection. Unlike classic DNS, this means no one can read or modify the requests, increasing privacy and security against interception. DOT, or DNS over TLS, uses a dedicated port 853, making it easy for firewalls to spot and block. DOH, or DNS over HTTPS, hides DNS inside normal HTTPS traffic on port 443, making it much harder to block. DNS filtering blocks known malicious domains before any data leaves your network. The filter DNS checks requests against a block list, ensuring that users are prevented from connecting to harmful sites like evil.com. Popular filtering resolvers include Cloudflare, Quad9, NextDNS, and Pi-hole. They offer malware blocking, threat feeds, custom filters, and ad blocking at the DNS level. Anycast routes a single IP address to hundreds of servers worldwide, providing redundancy. With rate limits, an attack hitting one region won't affect service, as other servers keep answering. A secure DNS query is a 3-step process. First, the user sends an encrypted query via DOH. Next, the resolver performs a lookup and verifies the DNSSEC signature. Finally, a signed answer returns, allowing a safe connection to the site. Before DNS security, queries were visible, replies could be forged, and DDoS took sites down. After implementation, queries are encrypted, replies carry DNSSEC signatures, bad domains are blocked, and Anycast absorbs floods. The benefits of DNS security include integrity with signed and verified answers, privacy through encrypted browsing history, speed with faster lookups via Anycast, blocking of malware, uptime protection from DDoS, and zero-cost implementation. There are 3 ways to turn it on: by setting DNS at the router for network-wide protection, at the device level, choosing an encrypted option, or at the browser level, enabling secure DNS. To recap, DNS security relies on 4 pillars: DNSSEC for forgery prevention, DOH for encryption and privacy, filtering for malware blocking, and Anycast for DDoS protection and uptime. Thank you for watching this explainer video on DNS security. If this content was helpful, please subscribe for more networking videos.